Hey guys, welcome to everyone. I am talking about new stock about L&T Technology Services. So right now, what we are thinking about the L&T Technology and other IT stocks is a good potential actually. So why I am covering all the technology stocks, because these are at a very low valuations and having a good profit quarters and a very good potential in terms of profit gains or future perspective. So let's start with the analysis of this L&T Technology Services Limited. So let's us understand what LTTS is doing actually from the business perspective. So LTTS is engaged into the engineering services provider where it has a research and development, digital solutions, high tech product, telecom, everywhere this company is involved. And if we talk about the market capitalization, so market capitalization is a 45,000 crore, and I mean you can say it's a mid cap company, or a large cap, about to large cap, because I heard that if capital is 50,000, more than 50,000, then it considered as a large cap. So you can consider as a large cap only. If you see the stock PE is a 36.7. Let's see what is the industry PE. So it's a 27.6. So it's a little bit higher, but it's not that much higher that we cannot buy, but that is good. And if you see the ROC in ROC, I mean around 30%, it's very good. And debt to equity is negligible. If you see the market cap, 450 crore, 54 crore is very negligible on this. And if we look at the quarters actually, so see the sales, actually the sale has grown up year on year, I mean quarter by quarter, it's very good. Expenses are little bit higher, I mean, but see, it's inflation, right? I mean the employee cost or salaries and other expenses definitely should be there. Operating margin is very important. So I see that last two quarter it's a 20%, but that they have maintained. There is no issue in that. Net profit is slightly down compared to last quarter, but it's a little bit, I mean 30 crores, that is not a big loss. I mean I think this will get covered and they will show very good profit in upcoming quarter. If we talk about the sales on year, then you see that it's getting increased actually. If you see March 2023, it was 8,000 crore, and now I mean till trailing of 12 months, I mean it's, you say, 8,700 crores. So that is a good thing. And operating profit margin is also balanced, 21%. Net profit is increased 1100 to 1200 crores. So that is a very good number. And dividend payout is also very good. Even I will also see that even they are paying dividend payout, and it's a very good actually numbers. So balance sheet, talking about the balance sheet, share capital is 21. And reserves, see the reserves, increasing number of reserves, they have a massive reserves ratio, which is very good to invest into the particular business. That is very good actually. And borrowings, if you see, they are reducing their debt. I mean, see, it's not that lot of equity shares they are pledging, taking debt and doing working. It's not like that. Little bit debt, and they take the debt because of some enhancement, some requirement. Even generally, retail investor take a loan, personal loan and everything. So that is not a bad thing, even until unless they are paying the debt on time. If you see the fixed asset, yeah, fixed asset is at 1294. That is also good because it keeps on increasing, 569 to 1294, which is good. Current working progress 6, so maybe 6 projects are pipeline, so they can give a good quarter in the coming quarters. Yeah. uh, Shareholding patterns. Shareholder pattern is also consistent, 73.80, and FIS 5.31, and DIS have increased their stake. So this is all about the fundamental. Let's talk about the technical part. So yeah, I have loaded a technical chart of LTTS services. So if you see here, so I have drawn one trend line. I mean, it makes it as an accented triangle symmetrical pattern. So if you see here that this candle, I mean this green candle is doing trying to give a breakout and trying to close the previous week's high on this week. So I think uh, coming this week, I am sure that this will give a breakout and it will go higher. So that is not right now, that is not a breakout confirmation, but I see the potential on this stock, because last week as well, if you see, I'm just zooming out. If you see how the candle is behaved, see last to last week, this candle tries to close above the breakout line, and then last to last week, see, buyer and seller have a tough fight for that, and now this week it started going up. If you see this, it came below to this level, and now it all the stocks got pulled up by buyers. So if you see, so I have a clear intention that this stock will go above breakout level, and next week this will go up by very quickly. But yeah, it may happen that it can come, but I don't see any reason to coming down, because profits are very good, and this will definitely go to the lifetime high. So if you calculate about the targets, so there are two ways to get the target actually. So first target what we can do is we can just get the depth of this let me take depth of this range. What happened? Let me something. Yeah, so take this one and just let me remove this one, then I think this will work. Yeah, and yeah, so approximate lifetime high only. So 32% is based on the chart pattern, and I think lifetime 37. Yeah, so only 5% here and there, but definitely it's a good opportunity to buy, and I don't see this will get much time to get this cover. I think maybe 2 months, 3 months, or maybe by the time new quarter results come, then this will get achieved, or max to max 6 months. So I think 30% gain in 6 months is very good, and I would not I would I am the buyer on this. Basically, I am a buyer. I But from my side, I am not giving any recommendation to you guys to buy this. But yes, do due diligence, understand what I am teaching. Think about this. Consult with your advisor and then buy. Uh, don't take according to my statement. I am a buyer, this is my thinking, I am taking action, and I'm just teaching you that why I am buying it. So what is the reason behind buying it. So if you think about the immediate target, so I think next resistance would be 20.66. Now again, so let's go to the 1 day candle, because we need to think about how this 1 day candle is also worked. Okay, so let's see here. See, the let me first of all remove this. Yeah, so if you see uh, how the stock's price behaves today. Okay, so this is the range actually, this is the range, and this is today's candle. So it goes down till 4238, then again it pulled up back to 4303, and I think it make a high of 4349 as well. Yes, so potential, see the potential of this. I mean, keep on big players are keep on fighting on this. So let me draw a line over here. See, this is the resistance for this, and there is one more resistance here. So it's a short range actually. Yeah, this is the range. So this is the range, and I think this will get this will get crossed by tomorrow, maybe day after tomorrow. So I don't see any kind of reason that is coming down, because taking a major support over here in this line. So let me show you this one. This is the support they are taking. So from my side, I think uh, it's a good opportunity. So I showed you this on daily candle as well as weekly, but breakout is not yet happened. it's a consolidating. But I, as I said, every time, I don't buy any stock on breakout level, because once you try to think about the we should buy at a breakout level, then stock will reach at the high point. I mean, then big players start selling the stock, and retailers getting trapped. So that is not my strategy. My strategy is simple: buy when the price is low, and at breakout sell it. So I don't generally believe this on buying at breakout level, because the breakout level I know the price will be 5,000. So there is no sense on it. So think about that, do due diligence. Let's meet at a next video. Till then, bye bye.